In this video, I'll be showing you how you can transfer your WhatsApp data or chats from Android to your iPhone. First of all, we have to download a application in the Google Play Store which is named as Mass Apper. Now, after downloading it, you just need to select the Android to iPhone button. Now, you just need to tap in or enter your phone number and log into your WhatsApp. After logging in into your WhatsApp, you need to choose one method here, which is to connect your Android device to your iPhone and then authorize the connection. You can do it by using your USB-C or without using it by doing it wirelessly. Now, after doing that, you can now start your transfer by tapping this function if you have a USB cable and just wait for the process to be finished, and that's it. That's how you can transfer your WhatsApp chats or data to your iPhone from Android. And thank you for listening.